Welcome everybody. This is the 2024 roadmap session with Steven, and we finished 2023 on a high, and we're looking to go over the overview for what's to come next. So Steven, what is the main focus for 2024?
2024 for Harmony is really driving utility with many of our daily apps. So we are really building the platform for many years now. It's really great time with the market to show each of the use case, to show each of the apps, so that user can jump on to use it really fine, whether launching their own tokens or having apps that they will use every day. In particular, we have strong start with the AI to bring daily usage of many of the innovation in the market. But DeFi have a strong primitives now that we have the swap and the lend and the multi-sig with the save. We want users to use it to even earn many of the community points, the reward, and eventually be part of the governance tokens. And the amazing part is about the market that allow us to have new way to interact with the chain, including inscription, intent-based service. We'll be innovating with many of our partners.
So you just mentioned inscriptions, kind of there's this Bitcoin ordinals, there's this trend in the market. Can you expand a bit more on how Harmony is going to capitalize or what you think we'll do in that area?
We have not only low fees on our transactions, but also have all the compatible toolings. And most of all, we have another shard. We have multiple shards. Now shard 1 really is perfect for more of the core data inscribing to it, or games that have lots of game data that they need to be part of there. Not only the data availability become a key problem in the space, the new Ethereum upgrade and Celestia launch really proved that this could be a strong use cases for blockchain. But most of all, even Ethereum, with understanding the inscription, so many of the EVM chain that we are part of, needed to show the users is about two things. One is the fair launch, is the no need to trust even a simple minting tool or simple minting contract, that anyone that can send a transaction can be part of it. But the broader theme is actually off-chain computation, off-chain tools, off-chain solvers, and on-chain verify, on-chain record, on-chain ledger of the things that you can verify yourself. So we do know Uniswap X, forward chain, as well as chain flip have proven to be a use case that people can do bridge and swaps already. We think we have the primitives to even do something called minimal on-chain service, so that we'll be on board many of the native assets much easier.
So with low transaction fees, high speed optimization with fast finality, and then now venturing into innovation with these inscriptions, I'm sure the community is also eager to kind of know what is going to be the start of 2024. Could you maybe tell us on what the first initiative will be from Harmony?
We'll be continuing with many of the product launch, but this time with governance tokens. We do want to reactivate the community through whether airdrops, launch of the tokens, community points, social referral credits. These are really the native use case of blockchain that we never shy away from really experimenting with the communities. But this is a great time now that we have all the tools, all the indexing, the analytics, but most of all with some of our key differentiated product, x.country, we have VoiceAI, we have all these DeFi primitives now that even though we don't receive fees, but people should be part of the governance. We actually think that minting tokens, doing whether NFT or inscription, are native use case of blockchain that we want more people to be on board very easily. With now some of these really very easy to use bridge like layer 0, but even intent-based service that whether something like fortune, but like minimal with the on-chain accounting. With the governance token, it will be much more incentivized for people to be both using it, but also forming a community around.
It's great to hear kind of all the initiatives from 2023 continuing on to 2024 and kind of coming back together and expanding. I think that's really exciting. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, the key thing is we want to give the community one theme to remember. I do know that we have been building for many years and many things are possible. We want to come out with a strong message that we are the one chain with the fast finality. We call that the one finality campaign. One finality. Single block towards 1 second finality. I think that will bring us to be the industry leadership position to tell the world that you can do optimistic roll-up, you can do many of the probabilistic consensus, but finality is what matters for financial transaction. Finality is what matters for user experience. Finality is what matters when we are cross-shard and still be able to send both the tokens and NFT and data across easily the two shards. So again, one finality will be our theme this year, that not only the user would now understand the importance of it, but the developer can see us clearly differentiated, but tie back to our data sharding story. I do think it would really bring us, much like the industry have moved on to more of the roll-up, ZK, if not even modular narratives. We own the sharding and the sticking narratives for a long time. Now that our key part about the finality is still undisputed to be the most and useful, both for the user and developer to build application on.
That's great. So 2024, one finality.
Let's do it. All right. Thanks, everyone.